नमस्कार, मैं हूँ अपर्णा पटेल।
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ पूर्वा जाटेकर।
केएसबी न्यूज बुलेटिन में आप सबका स्वागत है। न्यूज शुरू करने से पहले चलो देखते हैं हाल ही में हुई गैमा डे और सिलेक्ट डीलर मीट की कुछ झलकियाँ।
तो इस लॉकडाउन में फिर से हमारी फैमिली यानी केएसबी डीलर्स के साथ मिलने चलते हैं डायरेक्टली लाइव।
तो पहले शुरुआत करते हैं पूजा इंजीनियरिंग के मिस्टर मुनीम के साथ। सो सर, as we know KSB is completing 60 years of manufacturing in India this year. Please share your thoughts on this.
It is a matter of pride for KSB to have completed 60 years of manufacturing in India. We are really proud to be associated with KSB as their loyal dealer. When we joined KSB in 1982, their turnover was less than 100 crores, and we have all the good memories of their growth story. We wish KSB good luck and hope for a bright future for all those who are associated with them. God bless KSB.
थैंक यू सर। तो अब चलते हैं मिस्टर गौरव अग्रवाल और मिस्टर अजय डागा के पास। सो सर, हैव यू अटेंडेड एनी trainings or webinars arranged by KSB during this lockdown period?
Yes, we did attend the standard industrial product training as well as the soft skill training for KSB dealers. It was an amazing experience and very useful for us as well as our staff. We appreciate KSB's efforts for creatively utilizing time during this lockdown.
It was a wonderful experience which we and our both staff members enjoyed a lot and learned a lot. We really appreciate KSB's effort during this lockdown.
Thank you, sir. We are very happy to share that in this pandemic situation, many of us have contributed in many ways for noble cause. तो चलिए उनसे ही सुनते हैं इसके बारे में।
We distribute masks, sanitizer, and also fabricate a sanitization booth for our community. We try to do something good for our community.
Thank you, sir. So we have Mr. Patel with us today. So Mr. Patel, we would like to know how did you find our marketing director's interview which was conducted on 10th April on Radio City?
Yes, I have heard Mr. Batena's interview. It was really informative and motivational. The proactive decision taken by Mr. Batena are well thought and are filled with wisdom. They also represent organizational concern towards their employees and their families.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your experience. Now, KSB has extended warranty for agri and domestic product by 2 months. We would like to know about this decision from Mr. Amit.
ऑफ कोरोना टाइम केएसबी टीम और हम दोनों मिलकर बहुत अच्छा कार्य कर रहे हैं और केएसबी के उत्पादक जो श्रृंखला है और उसका जो विश्वास है कस्टमर्स में वो हमें भविष्य के बहुत अच्छा प्रेरित कर रहा है और आशा करते हैं कि हम दोनों मिलकर ही साथ में इसको और आगे बढ़ाएंगे और भविष्य में बहुत अच्छा काम करेंगे।
Shukriya sir. We also have Mrs. Fedos with us today. So ma'am, this question is for you. How are you catering to the market need in this situation? Have you started any operations in your area?
We have been operating with work from home on a regular basis in this lockdown period. However, with this relaxation, as per need and with all official permissions, we have resumed our working with essential staff, keeping social distancing on top priority. Opening of your Lucknow godown has helped us in some stock, enabling us to serve the needy customer in this emergency situation. In fact, we feel immense pleasure to inform that we have supplied approximately more than 50 numbers of 150 mm dia of submersible pumps to Jal Sansthan against government supply in this lockdown period only.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, we would like to know about the service support experience from Mr. Sanjay Patel and Rajesh Gadia.
KSB has been providing all the necessary support for technical and maintenance to our customer via phone. As much as possible, even attending necessary services issued physically at site under essential services. KSB has been fully coordination for supporting these service issues by guidance on phone or even by helping with making the product available on top priority.
पंप लाइन में अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो इसमें सर्विस देना मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है। सर्विसेज देना है मीन्स देना है। आज इस कोरोना के टाइम में भी हम इससे पीछे नहीं हटे हैं। इस टाइम अगर आप सर्विस दे रहे हैं तो इनफैक्ट आपने कस्टमर का दिल जीत लिया।
We all are very well known about the creatives circulated by KSB marketing team on various occasions and also on the effective time utilization during this lockdown period. Audience would really love to hear out your views on these creatives.
The creatives shared by KSB marketing department has really motivated us and also boosted our morale during this tough time of lockdown. It also encouraged us to do the things of our own interest and hobby which we don't get time during normal scenario. Also, it has helped on various occasions to reach our customers some way or the other to discuss about our product and improve our brand strength in the market even during this period of lockdown.
Moving forward, some of the initiatives has been taken by the dealers to get in touch with customer to serve them better in this period. So let's hear from Mr. Binit Agarwal and Sunil Thakur regarding this.
We have fixed a sequence of courtesy call to all our customers and contacting a targeted number amongst them on daily basis to keep in touch regularly through phone and WhatsApp.
Also with the help of KSB have arranged few webinars on standard industrial product knowledge for few customers and consultants.
तो बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। ये क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहूँगी मिस्टर हरप्रीत सिंह और मिस्टर SBP सिंह इनसे। So sir, what has been the impact of this lockdown on your bonding with KSB?
कोरोना में काम करना भी अच्छा लग रहा है, बैठ के घर बैठना भी अच्छा लग रहा है। It is a mixed feeling. So we feel कि it has strengthened our bonds with the family as well with the KSB also. KSB के साथ जो बॉन्डिंग बढ़ा है इस दौरान वो बहुत एक डिफरेंट तरीके का हुआ है जिसमें वी आर वेरी वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, वी आर वेरी वेरी डिफरेंटली थिंकिंग हाउ टू स्ट्रगल, हाउ टू हैव अदर थिंग्स इन लाइफ and we are collaborating each other for the necessary support.
This period will surely test our well-being in the market, but we are optimistic. Bonding with KSB team as well as dealers, we are collaborating each other for necessary support.
Thank you all. Anyone would like to share more with the audience?
For sure, this period will test our well-being in the market, but we are optimistic. And
This period has also been a period of bonding with the KSB family.
In all our years of association with the KSB, we not only felt we are the extended arms, we also felt a member of royal family known as KSB. Whether it was a rough time or it's a good time, we were always complimented, encouraged and supported. This gesture is possible only we have true and faithful members of a family. We are very lucky and proud to be a member of it as a KSB royal family.
Thank you, sir. So, Mr. Nimbalkar, would you like to tell how you look forward to the situation post things resume to the normal?
Friends, we are very optimistic about the situation post things resume. Certainly, there will be some ups and downs in the market, but we are ready to be on our toes along with continual support of KSB team. This is just a phase which shall get over soon, and together we will overcome the challenges that lie ahead of this period.
Thank you all for sharing your experience. Today, we also have Mr. Gadgil with us. So sir, after all experiences shared by our dealers on the current situation about this lockdown, would you like to share your views on this?
It was a very positive feedback, and I sincerely thank you all for that. This COVID-19 and subsequent lockdown has impacted global economy very, very badly, including you all and KSB. I hope that KSB factories and your warehouses, including your shops, start operating ASAP. This lockdown is for Jaan hai to Jahan hai. What that means is the only institution that supports in difficult times is family.
The only rocks that stays steady is family.
KSB and its dealer network
is one such big family.
We hold our hand together and fight against all odds.
We are each other's strength.
We are each other's guide. Together, we complete family
who look forward with pride. We are KSB.
We are KSB.
We are KSB.
We are KSB.
We are KSB.